Welcome back, guys. There's another new video coming your way. We're going to be in Microsoft Excel today, and we're going to show you how to enter the current date. We're going to show you how to enter the current time by way of keyboard shortcuts. So go ahead and go to B2. You see we have an empty box here. Now we want to put the date that we're checking out this employee, so we just want to go ahead and do control semicolon. That date pops in. That is the correct date for today. And we're also going to go ahead and put the same thing for the time, except we're going to use one more button in our shortcut. So you want to go ahead and hit Control Shift semicolon. It's going to give you the current time. As you can see, it's 3:10 p.m. Over here in my taskbar, it is definitely 3:10 p.m. on September 7th. That's all it is to it, guys. You can repeat the same thing in all the other cells. And if you liked it, leave a comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of my future videos. And until the next one, peace.